Oh.
Oh!
Ready, Cody? Put your hands out. Like this. Ready? Down like this so you can catch them. I'm going to throw it up so you want to catch them like this. Yeah, good job. Yay! Good catch. Ready? Put your hands out. He's going to pass out in like an hour, I bet. He's been going non-stop since we got here. You recording? Why? Well, I mean, we were playing, but right now. Ready to catch? Put your hands out. Ready? Oh, almost. You throw it to me? Oh. Ready to catch? Hands out. Ready? Do you want to catch? Ready? I'm going to throw it up, okay? Watch it. Yay! Good catch! Nice! Yay! I caught it! Ready? Ready? Oh! Yeah, I think when he starts getting this loud and this frantic, I think it's actually pretty close to the crash. I'm not sure though.